Welcome back, guys. So now we are doing a campfire here, which is so good. But we're gonna have dinner soon. We're trying to get our sleeping bags in the tent now, which is cool. And we have the campfire going. So you guys want to see it? Yep. So as you can see, that's the fire right there. So that's the fire. It's very cool. And right here is the woods. You can maybe even hear the sounds of nature. Whoa, that's really zoomed in. There you go. So that's the campfire. I think there's another one over there too, as you can see, which is so cool. And there's like another campsite up there. So this is actually a pretty nice camp here in Pennsylvania. So yeah. So there's the fire and we're gonna have fun tonight, right? And I'll be sleeping in one of those tents over there. Bye, guys.